Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wafre me Adjoa searching.
Sure, Ken. And now the in the Ken, Mr. Resign. Dr. Bawumia, when you pay a challenge, no. Just a ream, in suo, and homa, in ria, and moa, in nipa, a home as a Dr. Bawumia. Ken, I know who you see. Dr. Bawumia, Conosa, who you see. Ken, Mr. Resign, na ya dear ya be doing Gugu. Unkugu we so dear. Oberi asin kugu first wine. Dr. Bawumia, obi as a doctor. Ono ade ko ye kokra.
Be a lesson to is going forward. More NPP for more policy, more campaign na mo yen. Canada Japan ke ye bi na no ma obi aka chese matter. Slow down. Na Canada Japan cry ho. Also who the smoothness level. Ono cry we slow down. Into one hour young man, no, don't come and for this week the why there. Your team need to me ama udi. Say what about the Canada Japan shine na no one. What about the but be very strategic, meticulous, be intentional about going forward. Man, Mercy can't coach him. Koye guy, say na guy. Ghana for so here. You be your yodum, no your proko to them. Some of us will say it as it is. Yeah, majority will say it as it is. Say about who we cheat. Now the old trust and who names we chia, but we chia. You can correct it before you go for it. Into Mr. We catch us a interest, no represent to all the young people who are below your age now, from age to below your age now. It's if you succeed, at least from NDC or from it's even a hope for NDC. Because look at the young people, Mani Bawumia were free with, or Mani Bawumia few raging. He was one of the people who was set to take over from Mahama. And now Mahama saw Uncle 2028. You know. Or Mani Bawumia chance na ekono. O woni de ne ko. And so Kamumi and Uka Eastern region, but a champion, or Mani Bawumia, you are the young people. Into Bacho. Less mistakes, more action. Less mistakes, more action. Dr. Bawumia, they said them coming to another underdog this Congress year round. It was a pressure gurichim. Canada Japan body film. Na Brian Champo to body film. Almost bonus star BRB. No. But you see, Dr. Bawumia so I do mum because in terms of his response, apart from so only call for any been a number no mutro job. I think he's also been very matured about it because on himself underdog. Everybody is coming after his vote. It is on one managing who ye that's on also quite to Jaguma or no beluzu. And because Bawumia no so corner, I'm a vote no one idea really me the obusamia. Me obusamia. I really don't see idea be as from what Dr. Branecha Patamo Kayano. He said what more NPP you have said, including Nyankasa in 2019, I think. 2019, OKFM. That was before crime before years or more primaries for 2020. And I'm going to say, look, the way I am branding my party, say I can for party, no. Namo so mo party, no, so the foundation of the party, ni buzia dankwa domo. Buzia for nyomo de domo for a dankwa for nyomo de. I was someone de domo. And I said, it's a munim. Sorry, nobody abano komo obivu fra NPP, NDC for their campaign message back up. They will say that mom pet nothness as them. I don't know which language he used that he should have used in another way. He said the same thing, which is the NPP argument. And I've attended too many party NPP, NDC conferences and congresses to know what it means. However, before said Dr. Bawumia team, this is what they wanted to achieve this week. Because all this one, campaign now or more for NPP primaries has been dominated by Bawumia, Canada, Japan. So only the team normal strategy now was that my national level. So they've achieved their purpose. Baby, many Brian Champion what different opinion. Now no some me party no. Na Eastern region cramming am TSS can. And no, I think Dr. Bawumia Champion fell into a trap. And by the champion show from now, as you see, because Brian Champion, you are the future of NPP. We are young, so you have years ahead of you. You have no reason to even just struggle. I understand that and because when in year 2028 to cry 2032 let's just say you pull one it's a better 2032 maybe the other answer back I understand that, but you must also make sure so strategy now you to be solid. And yes, sir, all the party in which it appears for me, respectfully, what I think is what they want to trap Mukakra. Because at the end, okay, you know, number one, I'm a national person. It is I agree with you. One can be a what you say. When you have succeeded in bringing yourself into the national level where now you are in the same category with Dr. Bawumia, you are in the same category with Canada, Japan, and you are firing all cylinders. But when you are party, I think that you could have made your points. I mean, I'm a boa party no Eastern region. I'm a supportive party no Eastern region. Delegates, I'm a but for you to say Dr. Bawumia and Fakapra man, they're dead, you are dead wrong. You are dead wrong, but you are dead wrong. Because you see, what you have done is that we don't want to trap because any ordinary Ghanaian, any ordinary voter, because and yes, I know I boarding say delegate to be 1,000 something. You know, three things. Number one, what you have done is that we are starting war between party delegates, and I understand that and because
Moses say, a kufu the time and cado by the coja yatoma okufi. Namo take a muye de kurimu, namu fisa audition been a moyo. And I like Modrin say key feet been a moyen kurimu. Ye namos woman no be boomine. Mutiri and a ye. Said 208, 8 to 2012, Nyamian for kufu adwama. Kamu nyina mu from 2016 to 2020. Mo. Mutiri na ye. Ebra na NPP nam court nyina na sabi okatachi otene wan kona na watwa ne dokono ne nkate ayachi na wohwe momo ne nam court ne ye ba kuro we so no e na maso evo no e de mo asie because mo na mo sabi etire ne kon ne kashira mo betimi aso ade so eba ti mo nkama koma ntum yem me de mo baba 2016 nas yanu mo fuwe die sabi tire kuro mu ni bi na campus wo manya kon ne kashiri ade so we me de beso wo mo ma dehye ne me manyina bewu enu nti na mu hu ne saa no opon ye si ye nyina NPP aban andananado ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia etimi kura Ghana fo ne ye si wi ase wi ase nkaya na omo hu ode ne sikasem nyina sikasem to sini omutimi kura o men Ekufuado ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ena mudi nsɛmtwerɛfo achi ene ye dede gu wo man we mu amamu onye dede o ideas so wo dey back board na aye adwuma na reflect timamufo abrabom enya ma bia adwuma ena enya mi wowei ma men kan kyerɛ me kuro mu jusufo mu so a emabu na wo hokora no sabi wo na wo se wa bia adwuma wo adwuma nti ento abama wo ba emmabunu ne mrantie maaye wo ho untime mu omu nyina adwuma amamuo eya ideas ne se wo be create nyuma ne wo de noma nipa komu han no na setena mu beba board na nyamfaso ni nsunsuanso wo temamufo abrabo so enye nyuma bi da bi ti politician ni bi a wonam okeka ma yewe na me ba da bi nye no na edibu man eno ne Ghana fuusu ne no yes inti amamu ye nie ubetumi aye enye ya no mo hu se IMF atemoto na sabi enye nipa binumu na enimu a wo de sabi cedi ene ekosi dollar no u cedi yen hyehyeye na madora no enye dey ehun han no emfa cedi nkoyere no obeje no ho mai ti ehun no hwe ye nuanu ma mo complain ena 8 months Captain Smart asoja fo bi anywhere beje o mai 2009 yes 2029 asoja fo bi anyi o mai we why asoja aban no o mai Ghana ye no o mawie ti soja ni bi anywhere beje o mai we Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba 2028 2029 abebu man amama hunu se ni yesi bu man enoma true the vice presidency yenya firi ne so effect a enya wo man yi so ene sector baby a ama sabi avoid the traffic ahodo